Hello everyone, I am Sandeep Singh, Managing Director Asia Pacific at InnovateMR. Thank you for having me here on ESOMAR TV today. Today, I would like to take the time to discuss more on two key challenges or opportunities that is being faced by our industry: data quality and speed to insight. I'll also discuss the methods employed by the team at InnovateMR and how we are leveraging technology to tackle both the challenges. When it comes to the first issue, data quality, we know that internet is a dynamic and messy place. The tactics leveraged by cyber fraudster continue to morph and change, creating a very reactionary position for the insights industry. According to Accenture, 68% of businesses today feel that their cybersecurity is at risk on multiple fronts. And this is expected to rise in future years as fraudsters becoming increasingly sophisticated. Straightlining, speeding, and poor open-end answers are quick indications of bad actors taking our surveys. But these easy-to-catch signals have become much more nebulous as fraudsters and bots have become more humanistic in nature. In today's world, bots cleverly emulate human behavior much more closely. They avoid patterns in their data, they use real personal information and multiple devices to throw us off their trail. This makes the job of sample providers and researchers much more challenging. There are both tactical and strategic things we can do to better position ourselves and produce higher quality results. The first is better survey design. We are dealing with high participant fatigue. This stems from poorly designed survey instruments or the method of procurement itself. Grids are great from a computational perspective, but they tire out good participants who soon zoom out. Fatigue can also set in long before a participant enters the survey. Sample routers are engines that are used to allocate online traffic into surveys and are focused on optimizing the conversion rate, but they can be incredibly frustrating and tedious for participants. These factors, along with other design modes, should be carefully considered. The next is staying ahead with technology's help. As our CEO, Lisa Welling-Brown says, while there is no magic bullet or easy fix to this challenge, we can always work to get smarter. As an industry, we need to be having open dialogue about this topic and study the ever-evolving tactics employed by these malicious users. The industry isn't catching everything, nor are we able to due to the volume and advanced fraud innovation hitting our sector. If we fail to be as dynamic and unpredictable as the fraudsters, we will continue to be extremely vulnerable. What we need to do as an industry is update our tactics in the same fashion and cadence as antivirus providers, who regularly update their softwares to react to new and emerging virus threats. And finally, we must also scrutinize the data we collect and being transparent. Assumptions are dangerous, so it is critical to scrutinize your data closely and work with partners that are transparent and open about the challenges facing our industry. We need to stop looking for a cure that doesn't exist and instead focus on building a better mousetrap that leverages a multitude of both technological and methodological strategies. Fraudsters study our ecosystem closely. They prey on predictability. Changing our tactics is key to keeping the fraudsters on their toes. Every sample provider has been hit with fraudulent participants at some point in their tenure. No one is impervious, but there are some who are more proactive than others, so it is important to ask the tough questions and work with partners who will give you a transparent view when things go off track. And last but not least, it is important to recognize and accept that quality really exists at the participant level. There are good and bad users in every source online. There is no such thing as perfect, and there is certainly no silver bullet. But we can do so much better. As data quality issues continue to evolve, so do the demands of consumers. Researchers need insights faster than they ever have before to future-proof their businesses in an unpredictable economic landscape. However, as technology use continues to ramp up, it is going to be vital to never lose the human element. Systems don't have inherent empathy or adaptability, and it is a missed opportunity. As an industry, we need to be sure to never lose appreciation for the people behind the technology. Here at InnovateMR, our team champions what we call Do It Together, or DIT. This focuses on a blended approach to research that has the flexibility of DIY, but also the support system of full service offerings. Rather than replacing human ingenuity, our technology is enhancing it. Why? Because in the last 2 years, we have seen the rising demand for the evolution of the research experience to meet the needs of a growing customer base. New trends and shrinking attention spans are disrupting business models and forcing speed prioritization that is both tech-enabled and customer-centric. Research customers are evolving and require proactive and fast access to answers to their business questions. There is plenty of excellent software for the new research journey in the market already, but the expertise and training to use them properly are often lacking. Nevertheless, the use of survey platforms and data integration tool is on rise, with around 65% of companies using them internally for insights, according to ESOMAR's 2021 Buyers and Users Global Insights Study. While tech-enabled products are supposed to create productivity and streamlined experiences, the use of these tools is arguably complicating the research experience. In the United States, the average number of tools used per company is 5.4 and 4.2 worldwide, according to ESOMAR's 2021 Buyers and Users Global Insights Study. InnovateMR has recognized this challenge and developed its new award-winning Vision Suite, which gives anyone with questions access to faster answers, empowering them to make better business decisions with end-to-end solutions, inclusive of survey design, sample procurement, field management, fraud mitigation, and reporting. Our Vision Suite answers faster with confidence. Our integrated platform is unique in that we are experts in both panel recruitment and data quality. So our solution is designed with a research-first mindset, as opposed to focus on technology with a lack of expertise. Finally, we promote and cultivate a DIT environment, as I mentioned, where we offer consistent points of contact through call, video, and email support, as well as hands-on support, whether it's addressing questions or helping implement aspects of your research. There is no one-size-fits-all solution, but the Vision Suite is our embodiment of what we think DIY can and should be. Last but not the least, our primary focus is to increase accessibility to insights and empower professionals with the ability to make insightful choices about the future of their businesses. InnovateMR will continue to be a leading voice for the industry and a center for excellence in everything that we do. That's it from me today. Thank you so much for your time. Have a wonderful and insightful rest of the day.